Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the Optoma model and lamp hours because that affects lamp mode and brightness. Next, position the projector on a stable surface with a 6 to 12-inch clearance so air can flow. This prevents overheating. Connect the supplied power cord and plug into a grounded outlet, then press the power button. Once powered, wait 30 to 60 seconds for the lamp to reach nominal brightness and make sure the status LED shows normal operation before moving to video inputs. You now connect your source. Use HDMI for a single cable digital signal or VGA/DVI for older gear. Once connected, set the projector input to the correct port and match the source to the projector's native resolution, for example, 1920 by 1080, to avoid scaling artifacts. Then, step back and adjust focus and zoom so the image is sharp. Correct keystone to square the picture, and use lens shift if your model has it. If available, load a test pattern to fine-tune geometry. Finish by calibrating color temperature and brightness to the room. You'll often choose Eco mode to extend lamp life while keeping acceptable brightness. Secure all cables and save your settings in the projector menu so you don't repeat adjustments. Test audio pass-through and remote responsiveness before regular use. If you don't see an image, check that the lamp indicator is off, verify the input source and cable pins, and confirm the projector's input selection. Make sure power and status LEDs indicate normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.